folks, today's video we're going to be replacing this bathroom sink drain assembly. Now the problem with this one is there's a lip in there that water pulls up, and I guess it begins to smell when it sits there too long. So what I've done is I purchased another drain here, and we're going to try to put that in and see if it sits a little more flush and keeps the water from piling up and that. So should be pretty straightforward. I got the drain here. We don't have to unhook the water or anything. Hang on there, little one. I'm doing a video for the YouTubes. Now, so what we're going to do is just take out this plastic part there. Now she's upset. Now look what you did. All right, we're going to loosen these. First of all, we're going to take this trap off, and we got my little bowl there because there's going to be water in there. And then that will allow me, once that's out of the way, to start loosening the bottom side there. All right. Okay. Oh, yeah. Bedding on loose. Start with this one. I don't know why. Now you're going to make sure you keep the little rubber washer deal, Bob. We're going to take that off and use it on the new drain. Alright, probably should use two hands for this. Oh, I just missing the bowl a little bit there. Okay, dump that on out. There's some nasty stuff already coming out of there, this new drain. Okay, so now that that's done, like I say, you need to keep this little white thing, and we're going to reuse that for the new one. Now, I think for this one, I think this top part here loosens up. I'm going to pull that out. That's some nastiness. And go ahead and chuck that down in there. Yeah, so next thing to do is just start loosening that right underneath the sink. Let's see if I can do that with my hand. Okay, yep. That's getting it. Okay. So now that's loose. And the final thing, probably need to go grab a screwdriver, I guess, because I need to hold that in place while I grab a hold of the tube itself. Oh God, that's disgusting. And maybe I can just pull that straight out. I think that's what I'll do. Get these. Oh, it's really rank. Yeah, so I'm going to use two hands. But I'm going to take this off, take that off, and then I think pull it straight up and out. If not, I'll get the screwdriver and loosen that top part like I was saying. Right now, so I've gotten all that underside hardware taken off. So now I can just lift this straight out. Just like that. I'm going to clean that up a little bit so that the new rubber gasket sits on there nice and flush. Yeah, so let's see. Got a paper towel here. Yeah, probably gonna get a rag to get down in there as well, because there's more gunk around the inside. Not really sure why it was collecting there. One thought I had was that this replacement thing I put in there didn't have the overflow, but it looks like it does. So when the drain, you know, comes in from your overflow hole here, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna clean that out better. All right, so this is the new assembly. I got the old one out of there, cleaned it up a little bit. So essentially this part's just gonna sit on the top of the sink. You just drop that in. That might end up having a little bit of a lip too. Seems that this drain, the sink, doesn't allow things to sit in there, but we'll see if that squishes down once I start tightening the nut. This is a pop-up style drain, so there's no lever from the faucet, so but we'll see how this works. Here's a cat, and then we'll go ahead and put this washer on like so. Oh, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Yeah, all right, so hang on. Okay, so I got that washer on there, and now I'm just tightening up this, and probably gonna hit it up with the wrench just to get a nice good tight grip on that, and I'll see you in a bit. Well, I'm beginning to think there's something wrong with this sink basin. The more I tighten this down, that washer there, that rubber washer, it just starts to bulge out. It's like it's not going to give me a good seal. So I'm going to back that off a little bit, see if I can recenter it. I may have to like poke in with a screwdriver or something as I'm tightening. But off camera there, I managed to pinch my thumb and the pliers. So we got Doc McStuffins there to patch that up. So we'll keep at it. I've backed it off a couple of times and retightened it. And you can probably see there's still a lip there. So my only hope is that it's better than the last one. Next one I'm gonna do is take this and attach this, then we'll get the trap back on there and test for leaks. Okay, I got this on there, that on there. Noticing a little crooked, probably due to the tightness of this washer and one side getting squished in. Not real happy with this project, but time to turn the water on and see if it leaks. Yeah, it looks alright. I'm always paranoid, so I'll probably leave a bowl under there for a while in normal use to make sure it don't collect anything. But now let's see if this holds water up in the basin here. Yeah. Well, looks a little better than the last one. But, yeah. There's still, I don't know how well that shows up on the camera, but there's still water piling up out to here, so we'll see if it starts to stink like the other one. It's very possible that the old one had some issues with it collecting up there in the middle, so I think that's where the ranky smell was coming from. So we'll see if this one does any better, but I give it a C+ for execution. But, you know, check us out next time. And, yeah, like and subscribe.